Hey dude, I just got a link for this 1985 Land Cruiser. Hey man. Maybe we should go check this thing out. It's got 2,100 views in less than 20 hours. 265,000 miles. Rust free. Yeah, we have to go see this thing. Yep, we got another one on the line. I'm getting ready to head out to middle of nowhere, Virginia. It's raining its tail end off right now. We might be picking up another one today. It needs a carb. I got it. Let's roll. Well, I was trying to figure out what I was gonna do with my day today. It's raining cats and dogs. It's ugly as all get out outside. And I was working on my Saab, and a friend of mine who knows I love Fj60 sent me a link. I looked at the link. It was pretty, real good, clean truck on a farm. So one thing led to another, called the guy, and now I'm going to see it.
In 3/4 of a mile, the destination is on your right.
We're on a farm right now. Here she sits. This California truck thing is pretty on point, no rust. All right, we just made a deal for this thing. She's coming home with us. We're coming back tomorrow night with a trailer. We're gonna flatbed her home, see if we can get her running, and then see what this cruiser holds for the future. This thing is unbelievably rust-free. It's not even funny for an East Coast truck. Hey Charlie, you want a peanut? Oh. You gonna go help us get a Land Cruiser?
If you want to come up earlier,
hey.
Start working at 7:30 in the morning.
So, it's been a month since the last red truck, and Mike and I somehow are going to pick up another one. It's this gold 1985. It's on a 130-acre farm. This guy's had it for 8 years sitting at his place, and he got it as payment from a lady that drove it all the way from California. So, we'll see where it takes us. Mike, how do you feel about another truck in the fleet, man?
I was skeptical up until I heard a California cruiser on the East Coast, but that didn't have rust. Yeah, I think a day's notice was more than enough to get it.
Oh yeah.
Well, we just got to load her up. It got a little too dark for us to actually film the loading up of the 60, but she's on. She's coming back to Maryland with us. Well, we finally got her back to her new resting spot for the next couple months. Just going through her. She's cleaner than I could ever imagine. So much original stuff on her. And we're gonna start going through it. We're gonna do all the fluids before we actually turn it over for real. We know the motor turns over freely, so that's positive. We're gonna drain the gas, all the typical maintenance stuff before we actually turn it over, because this is a good one. They don't come like this very often on the East Coast.